Hello lovely viewers, this is your girl Evie. Welcome to Tasty and Fresh Kitchen, where we prepare tasty meals with fresh ingredients. Today we are preparing something simple and delicious, an appetizer, or also known as a starter, something you can just take, like nibbling of stuff. I hope you get me. Yeah, we just need just two basic ingredients. We need eggs, so you can see I have 7 medium-sized fresh eggs. I have some ketchup, and also I have green bell pepper. My ketchup is big, so I have to dish it into the container. This is why you can see it that way. So this is my own ketchup. You see it's big. Okay, so you can use any ketchup of your choice. Join me, let's put everything together as always. After washing my eggs, I put it in the saucepan and then pour some water on it to the fire. I set my fire on a medium heat and allow the eggs to boil for like 30 minutes whilst I add some salt to it. At this point my eggs are boiling, so I'll attend to my green bell pepper and work on it. My eggs are ready, so I'll take it off from the fire, drain it, and then peel them. So I'll just add more cold water so that it will be easy for me to do the peeling or removing the shell. At this point, our boiled eggs are ready. So I'm going to split them into two. I'm going to cut them for our starter. So with this, I cut it like this and then I remove the yolk. So I have removed the yolk from the egg. So I'll just mash it a bit. And then I add some ketchup. And then I mix it to get a smooth texture. I have finished mashing my tomato ketchup and my egg yolk. So I'll fill the egg with this. That will be the filling. So this is I'm done with one type, I'm going to do the other one. It's very simple. So you just divide the eggs into two like this, and then you top up with the mayonnaise, sorry, the ketchup. So this is it. Hello, here we are. This is a simple appetizer or starter I prepared. It's called deviled eggs, but I prefer to call it egg sandwich. So you can try the two recipes and the results, and oh my god, so just try it at home. I mean, now that we are all home due to lockdown, prepare something simple, something delicious, something colorful for the family to enjoy. So please try your own recipe, and then you can like, comment, and subscribe for more videos. Thank you so much. God bless you. Tasty and fresh. We are touching lives with tasty meals. Bye.